Everyone, welcome. We solve for the value of x given this exponential equation. We have 9 raised to power x is equal to 108. So what is the value of x? Solution. We have the first thing to do, we have to introduce the natural log, so that we are going to have log 9 raised to power x. This is equal to log 108. Okay, so 108, this can be expressed as 12 multiplied by 9. Okay, so that we are going to have log 9 raised to power x. This is equal to log 12 multiplied by 9. Okay, so applying the logarithm identity, that states that if you have log d multiplied by c, this can be expressed as log d plus log c. So applying this property, we are going to have log 9 raised to power x. This is equal to log 12 plus log 9. Okay, so and then applying the second property, that is the power root property. That states that if you have log a raised to power n, this can be expressed as n log a. Okay, so applying this property, we're going to have x log 9. This is equal to log 9 plus log 12. Okay, so that we'll divide both sides by log 9, log 9, log 9. Okay, so log 9 simplifies, so that x is equal to 1 plus log 12 divided by log 9. Okay, and given that if you have log a divided by log b, this can be expressed as log a base b. Okay, so let's apply this property, so that we're going to have x is equal to 1 plus log 12 to base 9. Okay, so that is the value of x. So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. So that we're going to have, we have 9 raised to power x. This is equal to 108. Okay, so that we'll have 9 raised to power x, substitute the value of x, which is 1 plus log 12 to base 9. Okay, this is supposed to give us 108. Okay, now applying the indices property, that states that if you have a raised to power n plus m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's apply this property, so that we're going to have 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to power log 12 to base 9. This is supposed to give us 108. Okay, all right, so that now applying the applying another logarithm property, that actually states if you have k raised to power log a to base k, you're going actually to get a. Okay, so we have to apply this property in our case here, so that we have log, that is 9 raised to power log 12 to base 9. This is going to give us 12. Okay, so we substitute 12 in our case here, so that we'll have 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 12. This is supposed to give us 108. And it's true, if you say 9 times 12, this is supposed to give us 108. And that means that the left hand side is equal to the left hand side. So that means that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 12 to base 9, this is the correct answer. Okay, that is the correct answer. Now let me show you methods 2. That is the first method. So let me show you method 2 that you can use also to solve for the value of x. Okay, so we have 9 raised to power x. This is equal to 108. Okay, so you can directly introduce the natural logarithm, so that we'll have log 9 raised to power x, this is equal to log 108. Okay, so that now we'll have, applying the power rule identity that states that if you have log n raised to power p, this is can be expressed as p log n. Okay, this is power rule identity, so that we're going to have x log 9, this is equal to log 108, divide both sides by log 9 divided by log 9, so log 9 will simplify, so that the value of x is equal to, this is 2.0334 divided by 0.9542, and which gives an approximately 2.131. Okay, so, and if you substitute this value of x to 9 raised to power x, that is 9 raised to power 2.131, this is going to give you a value approximately to 108. Okay, actually 108. So those are the two methods to solve our exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe.